nghĩa tiếng Việt. Example. Nghĩa tiếng thu nhỏ. Shrank, English shrank, thu nhỏ. The company's revenue shrank by 10% last quarter. Remittance, chuyên tiền. The company received remittances from its international clients. Altruistic, vị tha có tin nhân đạo. The firm's donations to the charity were seen as altruistic. Descendant, hậu duệ, người thừa kế. The descendant of the founder now controls the majority of the shares. Stunned, bị choáng, bất ngờ. Investors were stunned by the company's sudden bankruptcy filing. De facto, trên thực tế, mặc dù không chính thức, she became the de facto leader of the organization after the CEO resigned. Severe, nghiêm trọng. The severe market conditions led to massive layoffs. Allotted, được phân bổ. The funds were allotted to different departments based on need. Pronounce tuyên bố, công bố chính thức. The board will pronounce its decision on the merger next week. Provision, dự phòng. The company made a provision for potential losses in its financial reports. Scarcity, khan hiếm. The scarcity of raw materials drove up production costs. Trajectory. Quỹ đạo phát triển, the company's growth trajectory has been consistently upward. Convexity, độ lồi, liên quan đến độ nhạy cảm của phiếu. Trái phiếu. Convexity is an important measure when analyzing bond price sensitivity. Strip, tat đại tài sản. The company decided to strip its non-core assets. Cite. Chit done. The CEO cited external factors for the company's underperformance. Periodicity. Tinchuki. The periodicity of market downturns can affect long-term investments. Equation. Fungqin. The equation used to model financial growth included multiple variables. Algebraically, về mặt đại số, the solution was derived algebraically to simplify the financial model. Isolate. Cô lập, tách riêng một biến trong phương trình. We need to isolate the variable to solve the financial equation. Presumably. Có lẽ được cho là presumably the new policy will boost market confidence. Flatten, làm phẳng, ổn định. The yield curve began to flatten as short-term interest rates rose. Sequence chuỗi đáy, như đáy. The company followed a sequence of steps to restructure its debts. Distortion. Biến dạng méo mó. Market distortion can occur when prices are manipulated artificially. Control for. Kiểm soát biến số trong phân tích dữ liệu. Kiểm soát biến số, the study controlled for inflation to assess the real impact on profits. In the wake of. Sau sự kiện. In the wake of the scandal, the company's stock prices dropped sharply. Trajectory. Quỹ đạo phát triển. The firm maintained a positive growth trajectory despite market challenges. Which for? Dùng để chỉ ra lý do hoặc mục đích. The project required more funds, which for the company meant issuing more debt. Parallel. Song. The company drew a parallel between its strategy and industry trends. Instantaneous. Tức thời, ngay lập tức. The stock experienced an instantaneous drop following the announcement. Derivative. Công cụ phái sinh. The company uses derivatives to hedge against currency risk. Calculus. Tính toán vi phân. Financial models often rely on calculus for precise optimization. Line tangent. Đường tiếp tuyến. Đường tiếp tuyến, the slope of the line tangent to the curve indicates the rate of change. Dispersion, dispersion, dispersion. Phân tán, the dispersion of returns indicated varying levels of risk among the assets. Twist, xoắn, thay đổi bất ngờ. Xoắn, thay đổi bất ngờ. The market took a sudden twist after the central bank's announcement. Bolster, củng cố, tăng cường. The company bolstered its liquidity by issuing new shares. Tilt, nghiêng lệch. The portfolio tilted towards higher risk assets for better returns. Tap, khai thác, tiếp cận. The company plans to tap into new markets in Asia. Enact, ban hành, thực thi. Ban hành, thực thi. The government enacted new regulations to protect investors. Intact, nguyên vẹn, không bị ảnh hưởng. Nguyên vẹn, không bị ảnh hưởng. Despite the crisis, the company's core business remained intact. Colloquially, nói nôm na theo cách nói thông thường. Nói nôm na theo cách nói thông thường. The term bear market is used colloquially to describe declining markets.